Hello, welcome again. We are studying Geography of Class 9 of NCERT book of Contemporary India for Civil Services and CDS exam. We are covering topic Himalayan mountains and we have covered up to Greater Himalaya. And further next point is the range lying to the south of Himdari forms the most rugged mountain system and is known as Himachal or Lesser Himalaya. So that is south to Greater Himalaya or Himdari and it is known as Lesser Himalaya. So in map this is the Greater Himalaya and this is the Lesser Himalaya. The ranges are mainly composed of highly compressed and altered rocks. The altitude varies between 3700 and 4500 meters and the average width is of 50 kilometers. While the Pir Panjal range forms the longest and the most important range, the Dholadhar and Mahabharat ranges are also prominent ones. So these are the different ranges. This is your Pir Panjal range and this is Dholadhar range and this is the Mahabharat range. This range consists of famous valleys of Kashmir, Kangra, the Kangra and the Kullu valley in Himachal Pradesh. This region is well known for its hill station. Next point or outermost Himalayas. The outermost range of Himalayas is called Shivalik. So this is the outermost range, Shivalik range. They extend over a width of 10 to 50 kilometers and have an altitude varying between 900 and 1100 meters. These ranges are composed of unconsolidated sediments brought down by rivers from the main Himalayas ranges located further north. These valleys are covered with thick gravels and alluvium. The longitudinal valleys lying between Lesser Himalaya and Shivalik are known as Doon, Dehradun, Kotli Doon, Patli Doon are some of the well known. So these are the valleys between Lesser Himalaya and Shivalik Himalaya, Dehradun, Patli Doon and Kotli. So this is in Uttaranchal. These are in Uttaranchal. Okay. Next point. Besides the longitudinal division, the Himalayas have been divided on the basis of the regions from west to east. These divisions have been demarcated by rivers. For example, the part of Himalayas lying between Indus and Satluj, this is the Indus River, and this is Satluj River. The between this, the Himalaya is called has been traditionally known as Punjab Himalaya, but it is also known regionally Kashmir and Himachal Himalayas from west to east, respectively. Okay, because Himachal was the part of Punjab uh, before 1966, so it was called Punjab Himalaya actually, but now it is Kashmir Himalaya and Himachal Himalaya. Yeah, it is called. The part of Himalayas lying between Satluj and Kali River is known as Kumaon Himalaya. So this Satluj River and here Kali River is there is called Kumaon Himalaya. It is in Uttarakhand. The Kali and Tista rivers demarcate the Nepal Himalayas. So this is the Punjab Himalaya between Satluj and Indus River, and this is Kumaon Himalaya between Satluj and Kali River or Sharda River, and this is the Nepal Himalaya between Kali or Sharda and Tista River, and this is the Assam Himalaya between Tista and Diang or Siang River. So here the part of Himalaya lying between Indus and Satluj has been traditionally known as Punjab Himalaya, but it is also known regionally Kashmir and Himachal Himalayas from west to east respectively. The part of Himalayas lying between Satluj and Kali rivers is known as Kumaon Himalayas. The Kali and Tista rivers demarcate the Nepal Himalayas. The part lying between Tista and Diang rivers is known as Assam Himalayas. Next point, the, the Brahmaputra marks easternmost boundary of the Himalayas. So this is the easternmost part of Himalayas. This is the Brahmaputra and Namcha Barba Parvat is there, and Brahmaputra takes turn here, and this is the easternmost part. Beyond Dihang Gorge, the Himalayas bend sharply to south and spread along eastern boundary of India. They are known as Purvanchal, the eastern hills and mountains. These hills running through the northeastern states are mostly composed of strong sandstones which are sedimentary rocks covered with dense forest. They mostly run as parallel ranges and valleys. The Purvanchal comprises the Patkai Hills, Naga Hills, Manipur Hills, and Mizo Hills. So here this is the Purvanchal. This is the Purvanchal. Okay. So this is the Patkai Hill, Naga Hill, Mizo Hill, and other hills. And here the Himalaya takes south. This is in southward direction, and different hills which make Purvanchal are Patkai Hills, Naga Hills, Mizo Hills, and according to NCRT, Manipur Hills are also. So this is about Himalayas according to class 9 standard of NCRT. Okay.